Irabot Foundation Manipur says authorities concerned have commercialized dredging of rivers flowing through Imphal Valley. And India reports second coronavirus death from Delhi. Total positive coronavirus cases in India reach 83. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News, and I'm Premi Thangtum bringing you the top stories. Irabot Foundation Manipur has alleged authorities concerned of commercializing the dredging of rivers flowing through the Imphal Valley. Speaking to media on the sidelines of International Day of Actions for Rivers observance at Manipur Press Club today, Foundation Secretary General K.H. Gopin said that 97.27 crore rupees were sanctioned for the dredging project, and dredging of rivers began on March 19th last year. He alleged those concerned of carrying out namesake dredging activities. Gopin said the fact-finding team of the foundation came across deplorable condition of rivers during their recent inspection drive, which began on March 1st. He said the team even came across illegal poppy plantation in catchment areas of the Kongba River, but the team did not come across the Forest Department's claim about the thriving of 80% of the 2 crore saplings planted by the department in river catchment areas. Gopin urged Chief Minister N. Biren not to commercialize such activities, but to take appropriate measures to save the rivers at the earliest.
Maruina akhoi kanosinse loss of public money haitarene akhoi paisa na leiriba lupa karor ithai lakhong tawni khone na tawna adigi turian semene tawriba paisa singse moigi official hongba mantri hongba natana akhoi phol ka suk leitragadi madugi kanabham leite habse thamjage maram aduna matang aswaida akhoi honorable CM na akhoi mantri sing aduga kanosing na magi apam pamba ningkha tamna tawbagi mong ase masi yengjen view officer singna adugo mayam gi nena thadariba paisa sing adudi akoi kanoda dum mayam gi oina kanaba phangan view.
One biker died on the spot in a road mishap on National Highway 102 in front of 2nd Manipur Rifles main gate this morning. Police sources said the incident occurred at around 7 a.m. when a bike and a gypsy collided each other. The deceased is 30 years old. VDF named Muhammad Bilal, son of Ziauddin from Urup Kuno, Awang Lekai. The gypsy belongs to a unit of 2nd MR. Police has registered a case. Public Relations Officer PRO of Manipur Police in a press release said 1. Mangmilen Tauthang and Kaijamang Tauthang from Laizangphai village were accountable for the recent riot at Mori Integrated Checkpost. The press release said the incident occurred when they did not stop their vehicle when asked to do so at the checkpost. Continuing its endeavors to enhance ties with local administration and populace, including social organization and village communities, 26 Assam Rifles, Thoubal Battalion of Headquarters, 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South, handed over a water storage tank of rainwater harvesting at Rimpam village in Tengnopal district today. The project was taken under Assam Rifles Civic Action Program for financial year 2019-2020. Conveying best wishes to the villages, the company commander said that Assam Rifles is committed towards the infrastructural development of the remote villages. The village chairman and the villagers thank Assam Rifles for their initiatives. Census India 2021 will be conducted in 2 phases. The first phase will begin from the 1st of next month and will continue until the 30th of September this year. The second phase is population enumeration, which will be conducted from the 9th February till 28th of February next year throughout the country simultaneously. Indian census is the largest single source of a range of statistical data on different characteristics of the people of the country. With a history of more than 130 years, this reliable and time-tested exercise results in the comprehensive collection of data relating to the people of India every 10 years. Well, on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the report of the second coronavirus death in India. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. India has reported second coronavirus death, and the number of positive coronavirus cases have reached 83. Delhi reported the death of a 68-year-old woman last night The woman was admitted in Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital on 7th of this month. Family members of the deceased had a travel history to Switzerland and Italy. Doctors confirmed that a woman had a medical history of diabetes and hypertension. Health Ministry has assured that all precautionary measures, including screening and quarantine of her contacts, have already been taken up, and the status is being constantly monitored. Novel coronavirus has infected 127 countries, and over 5,400 people have died from COVID-19 so far. U.S. President Donald Trump declared a national emergency over the novel coronavirus yesterday, unlocking up to $50 billion in federal funds to combat the fast-spreading pandemic. The infection has killed over 5,400 people and triggered fears that a deadly outbreak will lead to a global economic recession. The announcement came as infections and deaths soared in Europe, with the World Health Organization (WHO) calling the continent the pandemic's current epicenter. The deadly virus, which has killed over 5,400 people globally, including 41 in America, has spread to 46 of the 50 U.S. states, with nearly 2,000 cases being reported from across the country. The declaration of a national emergency allows the Federal Emergency Management Agency to assist state and local governments and coordinate the nation's response to the crisis. And in sports news, Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has postponed the 13th edition of the Indian Premier League IPL till April 15th as a precautionary measure amid coronavirus situation. The IPL 2020 was scheduled to start on March 29th. The decision of the tournament was taken by the BCCI top brass, led by its president Sourav Ganguly, in the wake of advice given by various departments of the central government. In a statement, BCCI said the cricket board is concerned and sensitive about the health of all people related to IPL, including fans. The IPL sent a communication to all 8 franchises yesterday saying it will meet the owners today in person in Mumbai to further debrief on the matter. The 2 remaining ODIs between India and South Africa in Lucknow and Kolkata were called off yesterday due to COVID-19 threat. Atletico de Kolkata (ATK) will face Chennai in FC in the final match of the Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Fatorda, tonight at 7:30. It may be mentioned that both Atletico de Kolkata (ATK) and Chennai in FC are twice champions of ISL. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Irabot Foundation Manipur says authorities concerned have commercialized dredging of rivers flowing through Imphal Valley. And India reports second coronavirus death from Delhi. Total positive coronavirus cases in India reach 82.